Morning everyone. Let's discuss the current affairs of 19th August. Before that, let me tell you the important days for today. So today is Photography Day and second World Humanitarian Day. We celebrate Photography Day to create awareness about photos in our life, and World Humanitarian Day is celebrated to pay tribute to the real heroes who dedicate their lives for serving others. Now let's come to the first question. Who has stepped down as Election Commissioner of India? The right answer is Ashok Lavasha. There are two election commissions apart from a chief election commissioner in India. So chief election commissioner of India now is Sunil Arora and another election commission of India is Sushil Chandra. Election Commission of India is a constitutional body and it is mentioned under Article 324. Now moving to the next question. Which state has launched a student-centric scheme Padhai to Har Para? The right answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh government has started a student-centric scheme Padhai to Har Para. In this scheme, the students are encouraged to study with the help of community in their locality. Chhattisgarh government. So let's know who is the CM of Chhattisgarh. Bhupesh Baghel is the CM of Chhattisgarh and Anusuya Uike is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Apart from that, first garbage cafe of India is established in Ambikapur in Chhattisgarh. Moving to the next question. Who has been appointed as the DG of BSF? The right answer is Rakesh Asthana. Before this, BSF was under control of ITBP Director General S.S. Deswal. Let's know more about BSF. So BSF was founded on 1st December 1965. Headquarters of BSF is in New Delhi and the motto of BSF is duty unto death. Let's take our next question. Who has been bagged the title sponsorship rights of Indian Premier League? Very important question and very interesting question. The right answer is option D, Dream 11. Moving to the next question. Let's know more about Dream 11. Dream 11 is the fantasy gaming startup in India and worldwide. The founders of Dream 11s are Harsh Jain and Bhavish Seth. Let's know about BCCI, that is Board of Control for Cricket in India. CEO of BCCI is Hemang Amin and President of BCCI is Saurabh Ganguly, obviously. Now moving to the next question. Who has been appointed as new Executive Director of SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India? The right answer is GP Garg. SEBI was founded on 12th April 1988 and the chairperson of SEBI is Ajay Tyagi. The purpose of SEBI is to develop economy in the country and to handle every economical institutions like life insurance corporation, etc. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the governor of Meghalaya recently? The right answer is Satyapal Malik. Now we have next question. Which country has launched 3 Euro million innovation challenge fund in India? Right answer option C, UK, United Kingdom. This is for research and development and challenges posed to the economy and environment by COVID-19. Now move to the next question. The question ends. So the question for today is, which state has decided to distribute free mobile phones to the students? try to comment this answer in comment section below, and please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.